Hello guys, and welcome back to our next lesson. During our previous lesson, we saw how to create a pricing section for our website. And in this lesson, we are going to look at how to make our website mobile and tablet responsive. Without wasting further time, let's jump right in. The next thing we are going to do is optimize for mobile. To do that, I go ahead and click on tablet right here. And starting from the top, I select my text. Then I go over to style. Under typography, I can reduce the size of the text to maybe 75 so that I have it in 2 lines. The rest are fine, so I don't do anything. Going down, I select this one. Then I go over to style, typography, I change the size to 65. Going down, I will select the title here. Then I go over to style, typography, I'll change the size to 20 so that it will be in 1 line. And what I do is I just right click on copy, right click on this one, click on paste style. Going down, I do the same thing for the rest of the two. Paste style, paste style. Next, let's work on this text. I select it, then I go over to advanced. Remember, we added some padding to it, and this way we can alter it. I just go ahead and unlink the values and everything is cool. So I do the same thing to the rest. Unlink the values, go down, select it, advance, unlink the values, select it, advance, unlink the values, and we are done. Going down, the rest of the headings, I want them to have the same size as this, so I'll just copy it. Going down, I right click, paste style. Going down, right click here, paste style. Going down, right click, paste style, and finally frequently asked questions, right click, paste style. Let's go to top again. That is from here. I think the table is looking fine, so we don't do anything. This section 2 is looking fine, so we don't do anything here. Testimonial 2 is good. The value proposition is also looking fine. What we may want to change is the frequently asked questions, so I select it. Then I go over to advanced. Remember, we added some margin, so I unlink the values, and then right, I'll make it 20, and then left 20 pixels so that there will be much breathing room. All is set for tablet. Let's go over to mobile, and starting from the top, I select the title. Then I go over to typography and the style. Here, I'll change the size to 50. The button, I will select it, and the style, I change it to centered, like this. Similarly, I select the content inside this container. First of all, I have the rating, I make it centered, and then the text, I go over to style. Upon selecting it, then I choose align center. Awesome. Next, I go ahead and change the size of this heading by selecting it. Then I go over to style, click on the pencil icon and the typography. I will change it to 30. Okay, maybe 40. I think 40 is cool. And I'm going to repeat the style for the rest of the heading, so I copy it. Going down, I right click here, paste style. Going down, right click, paste style. Going down, right click, paste style, and finally frequently asked questions, right click, paste style. Let's go to top again so that we put from there. This text here, I'll change the size, so I go over to style and the typography, I make it 20. I right click on it, copy the style. Going down, I'll repeat it for the rest of the subheadings, like this one here. Right click, paste style. Going down, Okay, I think that's all. Alright, now let's scroll to the top and build from there. So everything else from here is fine. So I don't do any other thing from here. Alright, maybe what I do is reduce the size for the frequently asked questions. So I select it up, then I go over to style, the title, I go to typography, then I enter 20. I exit from here, then the content, I click on the pencil icon, then I enter 18. Perfect. All is set. I click on publish. So that's it on how to make our website mobile and tablet responsive. In the meantime, you can stick around to watch the next lesson on your screen right now. Keep watching and I will see you in the next lesson.